Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a working fingerprint sensor and updated Vyom with biometric permission granted. Once done, open Vyom and navigate straight to Settings, then Security. Tap Fingerprint Enrollment to begin. This initiates the capture flow. Follow on-screen prompts and position your finger as directed. Short presses and lifts improve accuracy. Make sure to register the same finger twice for redundancy. This saves time and prevents mismatches later, because the app needs multiple samples to create a reliable template. Now you handle the detailed capture and configuration. You should vary angle and pressure while scanning so Vyom records diverse ridge patterns. This improves unlock success. Once the fingerprint is captured, name it if prompted, for example, right thumb, and assign it to authentication actions like payments or secure notes. Make sure a fallback PIN or pattern is enabled in case of sensor failure. Also set timeout and lockout limits to balance convenience and security. These choices affect both usability and protection. Finish by testing every biometric action. Unlock the app, authorize a payment, and access a secure note. If a fingerprint fails, first clean the sensor and your finger, then reboot the device and try again. If problems persist, delete the fingerprint in Vyom and re-enroll with steady, varied presses. Make sure Vyom has biometric permissions and no other security apps are blocking access. If none of that helps, contact Vyom support, provide device model, OS version, and steps you took for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.